Are you interested in living in one of the top golf courses in the state of Missouri, all while having a beautiful view of Evergreen Cove? This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and today we're at 768 Resplander Way. Let's go check it out. This villa itself is fantastic, but it's also located in the exclusive Portachima community and offers access to Four Seasons pools, boat ramps, and workout areas as well.
In your mind, aren't they the hardest ones to climb? Oh, I want you to know you're not in this on your own. Oh, darling, I would never let you go. Oh, I'm willing to do anything if I have you. Darling, no matter what it takes, we'll make it through. No matter what it takes, we'll make it.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information on this beautiful villa, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.